and today we are at Lajpat Nagar market. Since Diwali is coming and we know that Lajpat Nagar is so famous for its ethnic stuff, so I thought we should explore the market and find some ethnic stuff and some home decor items. So in this video I'll show you what all ethnic stuff has come in the market and what all home decor items you can purchase from here. And one more thing, there is very less scope of bargaining at Lajpat Nagar, so the rates would be much higher than Sarojini Nagar, but we'll try to bargain as much as we can. So without waiting, let's get into the market.
So as I entered into the market, I found these Diwali decoration items. They were for around 150 to 200 something, and they were quite pretty. Here they were giving two kurtis for 250 each, and they were in quite good condition. I mean, you can get them. Now I'm exploring the first lane shops. They have all the ethnic stuff like dupatta, kurti, dresses and all that. This was a proper shop and they too had these Indian kurtis and dresses. This green one was for rupees 3500 and they were quite expensive obviously because it's a shop. Moving further, I found these cushions and bags just for rupees 100 each and I got this silver one. This next shop had some colorful ethnic skirts for rupees 600 and blouse for rupees 200 to 400. The coming next 2-3 shops had some same kind of stuff only, like the dhoti pants, sharara pants, kurti, blouses and all those things. This shop has almost everything like single kurtis, sharara pants, dhotis. I like this orange one, but then I like this one as well. This one was rupees 1500. It was a kurti and a skirt. Moving further, I found this shop. They had some kurti and shararas for rupees 650, but the ones they were lying here, they were for rupees 1300 to 1600 something like that. They had a lane inside and I tried to check it out. They too had some same stuff only. The same thing with this shop as well, sale for rupees 650 and other things for rupees 1300 to 1600 something. Okay, this was a little shocking for me. I mean, you are getting a necklace for rupees 100 in Lajpat Nagar, that to the oxidized one. I got 2-3 of them. Then I entered into the left lane and here you'll get all the wedding related stuff and a huge collection of earrings. Here's the part that everyone was waiting for. Yes, sari for rupees 500. It's at the Weavers sale and it's right in front of the Guru Nanak Vyao Seva. In Lajpat Nagar, you will get almost everything, be that your decoration items or your jewelry items, but their prices are quite high. For example, the starting range of these jewelry sets were for rupees 400 to 500. This guy had some ethnic skirts for rupees 650, but after bargaining, I got it just for rupees 600. This is the best shop for all those girls who love wearing chikankari kurtis. You'll get all kind of chikankari kurtis, be that the anarkali one or the straight one. Now I moved out from that lane and came in the front side, and there was nothing much to explore here. Okay, so those who have been to Sarojini, they know these skirts are just for rupees 200, but this guy was giving it for rupees 300. Okay, so this shop had something that I didn't see in any of the shop yet. They had these beautiful gararas which were in different colors and you can easily pair them up with any crop top or your kurtis. They had some dupattas as well, and you can easily buy from here if you like any of these stuff. If you are looking for a combined kurti and plazo set, then you can definitely buy it from here. It was just for rupees 500 and they were quite pretty. I mean, you can obviously wear them during your festive days. So let's move further and see what's there in the next lane. They had a huge collection of slim bags, side bags, and they were quite stylish, but yes, a bit expensive. So if you wanna go all monochromatic in any of your festive days, then you can buy these kurta and sharara set from here. They were quite pretty and it was around rupees 500 something. Again, kurta plazo set for rupees 500. Okay, so firstly let's explore the left side of this lane. They had these beautiful skirts and blouse set as well, and you can easily pair them up. Some home decor items if you want to buy some paintings or something. Here there was a sale of rupees 300 and you will get the kurtis for rupees 300 each. They had some shararas also if you want to pair them up with any of the kurtis. Now I'm on the right side of the lane and they too had some similar stuff only. I didn't find anything for me here, but I'm just showing you guys in case you like any of the things, so at least you can go and just check it out. Here I like this yellow color set and this pink one also. It was for rupees 1500 after bargaining. This red one for rupees 1500. Like in the starting, here also there was a sale of rupees 200 and you can get any of these ethnic kind of kurtas for rupees 200 each. Now I'm finally moving out of the market, and that was it for today's video. Please do let me know in the comment section if this was helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.